Hello, my friends, and welcome to my channel. Listen to this moment carefully. Take a slow breath. Feel the air move in and out. Now imagine a voice gently saying to you, "Start today." These two small words can change your whole day. Start today. Start learning English in the simplest, friendliest way possible. You don't need big grammar books. You don't need difficult lessons. You only need your daily life, your daily actions, your daily routine. That's how we learn together in this video, through simple English that you can use from the moment you wake up to the moment you fall asleep. So let's begin with something very small but very real. Imagine you are sleeping. Your room is quiet. The world outside is still half asleep. Maybe the sky is soft gray. Maybe the morning birds are just beginning to sing. Maybe the light is slipping through your window slowly, like a soft invitation. In this peaceful moment, your eyes slowly open. Your mind feels calm. Your first thought is simple English. I wake up. Say it gently in your mind. I wake up. This tiny sentence is the first step toward fluency. You stretch your arms. You move your legs. You breathe in deeply as if you are filling your body with new energy. You sit on your bed and you whisper, "I sit up." This is learning. Real learning. Not from a notebook, not from a classroom, but from your life. Every action becomes a sentence. You stand slowly and walk to the bathroom. Maybe the floor feels cold. Maybe your slippers make a small sound. Maybe the mirror shows your sleepy face. It doesn't matter. You turn on the tap and say, "I wash my hands." When you pick up your toothbrush, say, "I brush my teeth." Feel the simplicity. You are not forcing English into your mind. You are letting it enter naturally. When the cold water touches your face, say, "I wash my face." You dry yourself with a towel and say, "I dry my face." These small, clear lines create strong understanding. Even children learn like this. Even beginners grow fast when the sentences match their daily action. Now imagine you walk back to your room. Maybe sunlight is slowly spreading across your floor as if someone is painting your room with soft yellow color. You open your cupboard and look at your clothes. You say, "I choose my clothes." When you put them on, say, "I get dressed." Simple, clear. True, you feel a soft hunger in your stomach, so you walk to the kitchen. The smell of breakfast fills the air. Maybe warm bread, maybe tea, maybe eggs, maybe something simple. But today, imagine your kitchen window shows green trees outside. Tall trees, small trees, trees that move gently with the morning wind. Since today's random word is trees, let your mind notice them for a moment. You say, "I see trees." Then you smile because English can come from anything around you. Back to breakfast. You sit down and say, "I eat breakfast." If you have tea, say, "I drink tea." If you have bread, say, "I eat bread." If you have fruit, say, "I eat fruit." These lines, spoken again and again, build your English without struggle. Your day starts moving. You pick up your bag and say, "I take my bag." You walk to the door and say, "I leave my house." When you step outside, the air feels different. Fresh. Alive. Maybe the sun touches your skin gently. Maybe the street is quiet. Maybe children are going to school. Maybe people are walking to work. You look around and say, "I start my day." And that simple line gives you confidence. As you walk, notice each small thing. A car passing. a person crossing, a shop opening, a cat sitting on a wall, a bicycle moving fast. These small moments help you practice. If you see a bus, say, I see a bus. If you hear people talking, say, I hear people. If you walk under trees again, say, I walk under trees. These tiny English lines help your mind stay active. If you go to school, imagine entering your classroom. You sit at your desk and say, I sit down. When the teacher starts speaking, you say, I listen. If you open your notebook, say, I write. If you read something, say, I read. You don't need long grammar to learn. You only need simple actions connected to simple sentences. If you go to work instead, imagine entering your office or shop or workplace. You greet someone. You start your task. You sit at your table and say, I start my work. When you type something, say, I type. When you organize something, say, I organize. When you talk to someone, even in your own language, quietly say inside your mind, I talk. These small sentences become habit. Now picture the middle of the day. You take a break. Maybe you sit under a fan. Maybe you stand near a window. Maybe you go outside for a moment. You look around and say, I rest. Someone gives you water and you say, I drink water. You take a bite of your snack and say, I eat a snack. You smile at someone and inside your mind, you say, I smile. Simple English. Simple learning. When your break ends, you return to your task. You say, I continue my work. And as the hours move on, your English grows quietly. You don't even realize how much you are learning because it feels natural, soft, friendly, like a gentle breeze between trees. Later, the day begins to slow down. You finish what you were doing and say, I finished my work. You walk outside again. The world looks different now. Maybe the sky is orange or purple. Maybe the street is busy. Maybe the wind is cooler. You walk toward home and say, I go home. When you reach your house, you open the door and take a deep breath. Home always feels safe. You say, I am home. You remove your shoes and say, I take off my shoes. If you sit on the sofa, say, I sit down. If you drink water, say, I drink water. If you talk to your family, say, I talk to my family. Each action becomes a lesson. Now it's time for dinner. You go to the table, look at your food, and say, I eat dinner. If you cooked something, say, I cook dinner. If someone else cooked, say, I enjoy my dinner. You eat slowly and feel calm. Learning English should never feel heavy. It should feel light, friendly, and connected to your real life. After dinner, maybe you relax for some time. You watch something. You listen to something. You sit with your phone. You take a short walk outside. If you see trees again, remember today's random word and say, I see trees at night. Look at how easy it is to mix English with your world. When night becomes deeper and the day starts getting tired, you prepare for sleep. You walk to the bathroom again and say, I brush my teeth. You wash your face and say, I wash my face. You go to your room, change your clothes, and say, I change my clothes. You lie on your bed and feel the softness of your pillow. You say, I rest. Then you close your eyes and say, I sleep. This is what true English learning looks like. Small sentences, real actions, daily habits. You don't need big words to start. You don't need difficult grammar to feel confident. You need only your life, your routine, your simple steps. When you repeat these easy lines every day, Your brain becomes comfortable with English. Your mouth starts speaking naturally. Your confidence becomes strong. And slowly, your English becomes a part of who you are. So practice every day. Use these simple lines. Turn your daily routine into your language classroom. And remember, learning English does not require pressure. It requires consistency, small steps, and a friendly voice that reminds you gently. Start today. Thank you for spending your time with me in this video. If you enjoy learning English in this simple and natural way, make sure to subscribe so I can bring more easy lessons for you. Your support helps me teach you better and helps this channel grow.